Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here's another takeoff of pairing start date and end date. Are they matching? In other words, are they the same month and year? We did this earlier using the end of month and the month to month. Here we're going to use this month year combination. Here, month just returns a month as a number. Year returns the year. All we're going to say is month and year equals month and year. We're looking at month and year only, not the date. And that's it. Month and year equals month and year. And here you can clearly see month 2, February, doesn't equal July. Well, the years match, that's fine, but the months don't. We have falses all along, so hit F9. Here we have 6, 6, 29, 29, and then et cetera, et cetera. Hit F9 and just keep hitting F9 until see how this works. So match, match. That's it. Now, using a formula that combines the month and year function, you can determine whether two dates share the same month and year. And you can do this. You can go with day, or day, month, and do the same thing. You can play around this combination any way you want. In the example, cell D6 contains the following: month, 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 month. Excel extracts the month from the date. Remember, internally, we can't see it, but that's what the month function does. When I mean internally, if we go in here, if we hit this, we're just going to get the serial number. It's not going to tell us that it's month 4. It's just going to look at that serial number, and it's going to say April 7, 2029, and then the month function will parse that. The same with the year and same with the day if you go that route. As an example, month B5, year B5. Let's say it was January 2028. This is how it's sort of parsed. It's 1 and 2028 equals 1 and 2028, which is equals to 1200 equals 1200, which is true. That's not what we see, but that's sort of how Excel interprets this information. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.